up early today for the Cathedral Cove. We're flying tonight at around 8, so we have to hurry. It's a 45-minute one-way walk. Wish us luck. Good morning. Yeah. We're off. Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be a long drive today. But yeah, windy here. Cathedral Cove. I hope we're in the right place. Is there a hike or something? Yeah, I reckon there is. I was looking for the entrance and I didn't. It just said track entrance in it. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, let's go. Where's she going? She hates photos and videos, so I'm gonna film her.
Of course. That's what you're supposed to do.
Where are you at?
Oh my god, see?
It's kind of windy. You can hear it. Oh my crap, it's flying. So we're heading towards. Where are we heading? Cathedral Cove. Sorry.
Where are we going? I forgot.
I'm turning old. Oh, it's 45 minutes. It's 40 there. That's not true. It says 45 here. It says 40 there. We'll go back there.
Come on. Oh, you guys already hit. I was like, come on, let's go. Your phone's out of battery.
Oh, I have a power bank there. I forgot in the car.
It's not turned on. It's not recording, is it?
It is.
It's not
Go say hi. It is.
I know.
Run away.
We're heading towards the Cathedral Cove. Years ago, it's not like that. Now it's like that. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I didn't really know what I'm talking about. But yeah, we're heading that way. Hi, kids. Yes, don't. And kids, don't do this at home. Don't follow what I'm doing, because I have no idea what I'm doing.
Right. Yeah. Of course.
Or like you can be like Bear Grylls, like.
Oh, Bear Grylls?
Yeah. You see that pee over there? Don't drink that.
Nah, drink the one that Jared brought.
We bring our own pee. I got them in my pocket.
Wait. Wait, your jacket.
Go back to the car, cause yeah, Laura wants water, so I went back to get the supplies. Was 20 minutes down, and I had to go back uphill, grueling walk. Anyway, she has my camera, so I'll be using this RX 100 as my film and photo camera for today. So enjoy the view. Enjoy the view. Uphill. Haven't been to the gym. Haven't ran that far. Uphill's killing me. Shit. Well, good. Heart rate's going 130. Fuck. The view though. Awesome. Gloomy. There you go. Whoa! Got me! Oh shit!
I thought we were gonna go one at a time.
I know, it's alright. I don't care.
The car's gonna get a bit sad with the
So I got water with me. Cool. There you go. Nice. Cathedral Cove. This is the cove. That's the cove. And a road like got one leg here. So yeah, it's really good. It's nice here. 45-minute walk, even faster when you're fast. Not that bad. So windy. B-roll time. Taunting the water. Okay, me and Jared over the other side of the cove.
Oh, this side.
Yeah. So, yeah, I went myself. No, not myself, my shoe. Yep. Oh, capsule. So, yep. We're heading back. It's a challenge. You have to wait for the water to go down and you have to run. So, let's see how Jared goes. That's a big one. No, not yet. I think there's another one coming in. No, no. Okay, there you go. There, that's the time. Okay, it's my turn. There's the water. Wait. It goes down. Goes down. So this is the cathedral, and this is the cove, and there's heaps of people here now, so it's quite annoying, but that's how it is. If it's a spot, then it's a spot. I'm gonna get back to them. I'll take a bath. So there's Laura. She's all lazy today. She didn't even reach that part of the cove. I'm connected? That's good. Yeah.
So you like wait?
Did you miss it?
The pain of filming yourself.
Did you want us to take a photo?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Yes. I'm not tired. I think. I reckon. I'm not tired.
What fun!
That's what you call a watchdog. Yep.
Look at all the stuff we missed!
See a photographer.
We didn't miss it. We're like,
It's a photographer's.
we didn't miss it. We saw it. There it is.
The
Cave is so deep that we were dug out.
That's right, that's right.
And then I'm just here in front of the cave. Why not?
Are you taking a video? Do you want a heart? He's not impressed.
Oh, the salad.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's spinning. You should have dropped it right in front
It's
of
your
her.
lady.
Oh, that's good. You open it. Oh wow.
Like I was new in Australia, and then I went to this fish and chip shop, and I was like, potato cakes.
Yeah.
I was asked, how big is your cake? I was thinking it's the cake.
Yeah.
The cake.
Yeah.
The regular cake. I just want to ask how big it is. I'm gonna.
You guys want to buy it?
Like the guy was so pissed off. Like,
Buy what?
are you kidding me?
You want a bite of this?
I got fish and chips coming on, man.
Sorry, ignorant
Ignorant Asian. No. Tastes good?
Pretty good.
It's good.
Oh, it's good. I can tell.
Okay.
The saliva's coming out.
Get your normal chips. Sure thing.
It's good.
Yeah, that does taste good. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Chili. Ooh.
Good.
Hi.
Get ready to film it.
Thank you.
Did you have to take the camera?
Oh, they know the chunks.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
There's a...
Later.
Oh yeah, there's that. So apparently, we were looking for the hot beach, and I was trying to vlog earlier. Unfortunately, the microphone is not on again. I have to dub the words later, try to make it sound funny, or exactly what I said. But yeah. So. Where is it? There's what they dig. They dig there for bath and everything. Oh yeah. Okay. Hijack. I can hijack the swimming hole. Yep.
Where is so small?
Hot water beach. So, yeah, hot water. Nice weather. Yeah. Hot water beach.
So much better. Yeah, I know, right? It does.
I did it again.
Look at all the time we wasted.
Hot water beach. It's where you dig your grave, and you find out that it's hot underneath, so you try to enjoy it. It's steaming. Why is it hot? Where does the heat come from? Yeah. Alright. Steaming hot, just like me. Beg to differ. Yeah. Yeah, so like everybody's digging holes now. And then there's warm water everywhere. But we can't stay long because we have our flights this afternoon. So we're leaving. I'm having fun. Yeah. Whoa.
Is the mic on?
We're having fun. Yeah.
Don't force it.
No!
So I'm carrying her again. Oh, it's so freaking cold.
It's not hot water beach. It's a lie.
Carrying her on my shoulder. If you carry the weight of the world. Okay.
Oh, not deep.
Fall, 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 fall.
Thank you for your support. Soaked my socks.
women?
Park here. Let's see the mikel.
Ouch. I was trying to make a dramatic feel.
Broken.
This is into like a perfume bottle.
Whale vomit perfume.
Essence of gem.
Damn right. That's damn right.
Yeah.
I think
Can't get that
they
anywhere.
inhaled some of those urine earlier. That's the side effect of it.
We're gonna get ice cream. So we're not so much.
And did you know that we found urine in one of the bags? As we were checking them, we found one.
Probably a playground.
Just because she was not able to dig a hole and
Dig a hole in the
touch the hot water in the beach, she's getting ice cream.
Old Chinese woman.
Oh.
The water I touched.
Ooh.
What's from them?
Eesh. Okay. Ice cream.
Things that we miss out.
I have talent. Ice cream. Food. Trips and food. Trips and food.
So yeah, see? Please Jared's with me.
It's the only one. We could have used that.
The pancakes are good.
Because I saw it just this morning.
Thank you.
Yes, pancakes. Thank you.
Oh, my arm with the cake toy.
Pancakes.
There you go, John.
Smells good. Oh, did we get the cake? I don't think so.
Not yet, the cake's on its way. Probably.
Why aren't our pancakes like this?
I know! I make pancakes at home, but
They're not like this.
yeah,
She's eating my pancake. That doesn't sound.
I'm the best.
She's eating my pancake. You're looking for more ice cream?
No, this is ice block.
Oh.
An actual ice block.
There's a water beach.
Where's our?